All right, YouTube, it's not looking good. They just announced the release for the Galaxy Z Trifold. On January 30th, 2026 at 10 a.m., you will officially be able to purchase the Galaxy Z Trifold for a whopping $2,900. $2,900. You're going to be able to purchase this thing. That is unbelievable. Now, me, I've been waiting for this product for a long time now, like since 2 years ago. For those of you guys that don't know, I'm still holding my Galaxy Z Fold 7, okay, and I love this thing so much. Got an outer box case. Nothing can go wrong with this device. But the Trifold has caught my attention. Now, the price is unbelievable. That is flat out ridiculous. So obviously, there's videos out there, people unboxing this product because it came out in Korea first, and people were spending like $4,000 just to get the product from Korea to the US. I'm not doing that, obviously. I don't even want to spend $2,900, practically $3,100 after taxes to get this product. Now, this is a first-gen Trifold, which means you're not going to see an S Pen built in. For me, that's a deal breaker a little bit, especially at that price. For me personally, I'm not spending $3,000 on this product, okay? I haven't even seen anything about trade-ins and stuff like that. It would be really strange if Samsung did not offer a trade-in for this device, because they normally don't do that. And if they are, you can tell right there, it's kind of a money grab. I'm hearing the speaker quality isn't that great. Overall, I hope on the 30th of January we get more information about this product and we can expect what the actual price will be after trading. Let's get this straight. 90% of people are probably going to be trading in their old device to get this one. And I'm talking about the Fold 7 specifically. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That's pretty much it. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to be coming out with more content in regards to gaming and technology, and also the Galaxy Trifold. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.